Hey everyone, want to buy a Roblox gift card using your Amazon gift card? It's super easy. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First of all, log into your Amazon account. If you haven't already, redeem your Amazon gift card by going to your account and selecting gift cards. Enter your gift card code to add it to your balance. Search for Roblox gift card in the Amazon search bar. You will see several options. Choose the one with the amount you want to purchase. Select the Roblox gift card, review the details, and click Add to Cart. Then proceed to checkout. During checkout, your Amazon gift card balance will automatically be applied to your purchase. Confirm the order and complete your payment. Once your purchase is complete, you will receive the Roblox gift card code in your email. You can now redeem it on Roblox and enjoy your favorite games. And there you have it. Using your Amazon gift card to buy a Roblox gift card is simple and convenient. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.